Did you know that complaining for 30 minutes or more every day can physically damage the brain? So, what is problem solving, and why is it important? What is problem solving? Problem solving is a mental activity related to intelligence and thinking. It consists of finding solutions to problems. Situations we face in life where problem solving is needed. You want to invite this new guy to come to your birthday party, but you have never talked to them before. You are worried they will say no. You are taking a test and the guy behind you asks you for help. You borrowed your sister's skates one day without asking, and they broke while you were using them. You started to do your homework, but you weren't sure if you were doing it right. The teacher is explaining an important concept, but your friend sitting next to you keeps talking. You can't hear the teacher. You waited a long time, but your mom didn't come to pick you up after school. A bully threatened to beat you up after school. Importance of problem solving. They are beneficial for mental health. Problems are often complex. This means that problem-solving skills aren't a one-size-fits-all solution to all problems. Strengthening and nurturing this set of skills will help you to cope with challenges as they come. You can face and resolve a wider variety of problems, with efficiency and without resulting in a breakdown. You will become an independent, more confident, responsible adult. Poor problem-solving skills may result in relationships breaking apart. Positive impacts of a problem-solving approach. It will help you to distinguish between solvable issues and problems that cannot be solved, so you can focus your energy on the solvable ones. It will help you to face complex personal and academic problems. When you solve problems individually or in a group, you will become stronger. You learn to look at problems from a new view, and can take more calculated risks. It can help you grow into a successful and confident adult. When you practice this consistently, you can develop better social and situational awareness. You can also learn to manage time properly and develop patience. Students who learn to solve problems from childhood are curious, resourceful, and determined. Why problem-solving skills matter. Avoiding the problem. Kids who lack problem-solving skills may avoid taking action when faced with a problem. Rather than put their energy into solving the problem, they may invest their time in avoiding the issue. That's why many kids fall behind in school, or struggle to maintain friendships. Acting without thinking. Those who lack problem-solving skills spring into action, without recognizing their choices. A child may hit another student who cuts in front of them in line, because they are not sure what else to do. Or, they may walk out of class when they are being teased, because they can't think of any other ways to make it stop. Those impulsive choices may create even bigger problems in the long run. The World Economic Forum has recognized problem-solving skills as one of the 10 essential 21st century skills. How to adapt problem-solving skills. Identify the problem. Just stating the problem out loud can make a big difference for those who are feeling stuck. Develop at least 5 possible solutions. Brainstorm, think, possible ways to solve the problem. Even a silly answer or far-fetched idea can be a possible solution. The key is little creativity. You can find different potential solutions. Identify the pros and cons of each solution. Identify potential positive and negative consequences for each solution you found. Pick a solution. Once you have evaluated the possible positive and negative outcomes, pick a solution. Test it out. Try a solution and see what happens. If it doesn't work out, you can always try another solution from the list that you developed in step 2. It is better to solve one problem 5 different ways than to solve 5 problems one way. George Polya. Do you want to have a problem-solving attitude, or just complaint?